holiday concert. I see we have a full house tonight. We're going to begin tonight with our beginning band, and this is their very first concert ever. And we're going to start out by playing what we've called Beginning Band's Greatest Hits, which is all of the songs grouped together on the first 2 pages of their band book. We're going to play them all in a row.
Wet.